in the rough. King Kressa angles over to the inside to quickly grab the lead and the rail, and Lubash is right with him under the line the first time. And then it's Not a Cat But a Llama right next to that one, Barrel of Love. And Street Game is at the back of the pack as King Kressa takes him into the first turn. King Kressa on top. Lubash affixed to his flank, running second. And Not a Cat But a Llama tucked away neatly in behind the rail, third. And then it's Barrel of Love, fourth, and a break of another three. Back to Street Game on hold and trailing the field about 8 lengths from King Kressa now. It was a pretty soft opening quarter mile there, 24 and 4/5 seconds for King Kressa. Lubash is right up on that easy pace. And just in behind, Not a Cat But a Llama continues on while running along in third. The half up in pokey 49 and 3. So a tactical advantage for front running King Kressa. Lubash has been with him the whole way. Not a Cat But a Llama continues a ground-saving journey. Barrel of Love continues on in fourth. Then Street Game at the back of the pack, 3 furlongs from the line. King Kressa, and a gentle reminder there for Lubash. But King Kressa kicks away to lead a length and a half. Lubash is in an all-out drive. King Kressa moving comfortably as the field turns for home. And Not a Cat But a Llama cuts the corner, top of the stretch. And it is King Kressa confronted by Lubash. Lubash and King Kressa streaking past the 8th pole together. Not a Cat But a Llama was third. They're coming down to the finish. King Kressa, an obstinate foe. Lubash trying to get past him. Those two inseparable coming down to the finish. And King Kressa got his nose on the line first, narrowly defeating Lubash. Not a Cat But a Llama was third.